Keeping your artificial turf clean doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools, you can restore the look and freshness in just a few simple steps. First, start with the turf power sweep. This step is all about lifting debris out of the turf fibers. As you move across the surface, the rotating brush helps pull up pet hair, dust, leaves, and other material that gets trapped down in the turf. Take your time here and make sure you cover the entire area evenly. This step makes a big difference in how your turf looks and performs. Once the surface is cleared, it's time to finish the job. Next, apply Turf Animal. This is designed to clean and help reduce odors, especially in pet areas and high traffic spaces. Simply spray it evenly across the turf, focusing on the areas that need the most attention. Turf Animal works down into the fibers, helping break down organic buildup, while leaving the surface smelling fresh. For best results, let it sit briefly before allowing it to dry naturally. When you combine the Turf Power Sweep with Turf Animal, you're not just cleaning the surface, you're maintaining your turf the right way. A clean turf system looks better, lasts longer, and creates a better environment for your home, your pets, and your family. If you want your artificial turf to stay in top condition, this simple routine makes all the difference.